Welcome back to my channel, Stefan Wolf is here. A lapping video, a conditioning video with Inigo Jones Welsh slate sharpening stone, and I'm using 400 grit loose abrasive grain silicon carbide on a piece of glass. Keep in mind the stone is already flat, this is just conditioning to refresh the sharpening surface. No force is applied to the stone, just the weight of the stone. And we are ready. It's that simple and that quick. Keep your stones clean, keep them conditioned, keep them flat, keep them cutting that steel. Have a nice day.